Got a trip coming up? Don't be treated like a tourist. Surprise the locals with your language skills, avoid tourist traps, and have more authentic and memorable travel experiences using my 80-20 method. It's Michelle here from the Intrepid Guide, your guide to language learning for travel, all by using my unique 80-20 method. Now this year I'm running a very special Black Friday offer. But what's the deal? Well, for the next few days only, you can purchase any of my Intrepid Language courses for travel and get a huge 40% off. This includes Intrepid Italian, Intrepid French, Intrepid Spanish, and Intrepid Norwegian. On any other day, you would normally pay $97 for each course, but you can pay a one-time only low price of $58.20. But that's not all, of course. Each course comes with a ton of special bonuses, valued at $888, absolutely free. Now the first bonus you get is a menu cheat sheet ebook, valued at $47. You can access and unlock 500 food-related words found on typical menus. The second bonus is the Essential Phrases for Travel ebook. This gives you access on the go to all the phrases featured throughout any of the courses that you joined in a beautiful downloadable ebook. The third bonus is access to a private Facebook group community. Now this, I would say, is priceless. Now here you can connect with me, your teacher, and other students. We can ask questions and receive help from me and the community. The fourth bonus is unlimited 90-day private email coaching. Now this again is priceless because you can reach out to me at any time. Got a question? Email me any day at any time. Now this extra support means you'll have your chance to talk to me about those burning questions you have about the course material, language learning in general, and of course travel. You get all of these bonuses valued at $888 plus the course, and all you pay is $58.20. It doesn't get much better than this. And all of this is backed up by my 30-day Celebrate with a Spritz guarantee. If you don't want to celebrate your newfound language skills with an Aperol Spritz, just let me know and I'll refund your money, no questions asked. So what exactly are my Intrepid Language courses for travel? Well, each course is a 14-module training program that walks you through exactly how to learn and speak the language in record time without months of frustrating study. All by using my unique 80-20 method, where I teach you the most powerful 20% of the language right from the beginning, so you can thrive in any travel-specific situation. These courses have been specifically designed to take you from clueless to confident in the language, so you can create lifelong memories. You'll be able to mingle with the locals, get local tips, avoid tourist traps, and best of all, make new friends. Now these courses work for you. You have lifetime access to all the training material and you can learn anytime and on any device. You can stop, rewind, rewatch the video lessons as often as you like. There's no judgment, there's no comparison. Each module includes course material from video lessons, downloadable worksheets, and bonus cheat sheets that are designed to help you to learn and speak with confidence from scratch. Now is the time to invest in your language learning now so you can be ready for travel this year and next year and beyond. And with my special Black Friday offer, you can get 40% off. It's never been a better time to start. I look forward to seeing you inside the course group. See you there. Ciao!